I am die cut crazy, and in this video, which is part of my ongoing die cut crazy video series, I'm sharing slimline cards made with slimline dies. Hello and welcome to Karen's Creative Cards on YouTube. I am Karen Hashik, and I know we can make slimline cards without the slimline dies, but the stitching and details on each of these dies make the cards so much more fun and unique. This is a Halloween shaker card that I made with a Whimsy Stamps stitched die with windows. So you can see the stitching around the edges, and it has 3 windows. I'm also sharing a sneak peek at new products from a new company called Maker Forte, and the new company just launched today, as I'm filming, has many cool products, and among them are these shaped confettis, which are flat and really colorful, and then these are shaped confetti bats. So they're perfect for a Halloween card. I put them in a laminating pouch. And then, so it makes perfect for see-through cards, but it's also perfect for shaker cards. So in the bottom one, I put some beads and more of the confetti so that it moves around, but in these windows, they stay in place, which is very cool. Now, all the details on all of the cards shown will be on my blog, and links to the blog posts and the products featured is in the description box. So that's a fun new company and some products there. This one here is probably one of my, I know it's one of my favorites of the new slimline dies I purchased. This is from Trinity Stamps, and it's a gorgeous leafy border, again with the stitching, and then I did 2 layers of vellum and the green and put it on a green wood card, and that's all you need for just a gorgeous slimline card. This one, the die that I used for this card is a Divinity Design Bubbles slimline die. So this is a bridge card with a floating sentiment and some mermaids and that fun bubbles background. And I used Tonic Studios iridescent mirror card on there. So if you're seeing rainbows, that's why. This one is a fractured fall card with the ton slimline die. So it's a die that cuts all those pieces out. I did it in several colors, put them back in like a puzzle, real easy to do, and added some pretty leaves and made a Happy Hello fall card. And then this one is I used a Pink Fresh Studios stitched slimline die for this card. I have several sets of the stitched, and one thing you'll notice is that all the different companies are coming out with different sizes. So this is a larger stitched die, and it fits perfectly on a 4x9 card. I made an eclipse card, and then in the center is a Clearview's Transparency and a couple snowflakes. So that is another card that I made. And this is the card that I'm going to show you how to make. I used a new Love Ornament die from Hero Arts and another Clearview's Transparency and stitched dies from Scrappiness to make that really pretty love Christmas card. And I have Sending Holiday Hugs in the center, which is just perfect for this year, right? We have to send our hugs, not get them in person. And another stitched, this is a wonky stitch die, also from Scrappiness. So what I'm finding is that, yes, I can cut a rectangle and put it on the inside or put it on the front. It's so much more interesting if you have these fun stitching there to add to that. And I'm going to show you how I made that. I took all of the stitched dies from a Cat Scrappiness set. And the largest one of this set is 3 by 8. So this makes a slightly smaller card. I cut a navy card base 8 1/4 by, folded is 8 1/4 by 3 1/4. So it fits, and it's a little bit smaller than some of the slimline cards I shared. And I taped all of these together, and this is what I ended up with. I taped them together in the back too, and I tried to keep them in order in the die. And this is what I'm going to start with. It's a really neat look with all that stitching, but then when you add color, it's really pretty. I'm using my favorite blender brushes from Tailored Expressions and 4 different colors of ink from various companies. I'm going to start with the blue, and we'll just add some color in a couple different places. And then some purple. I do want it to be pretty bright, and I do want to kind of blend the colors as I go. I think I'll add some pink. And then fill in with yellow. I like how when it hits the blue you get some green there. That's kind of fun. Now I have cut the Love Ornament from Hero Arts out of a white cardstock that I put on some score tape. So it's on sticky, it's going to be sticky, and it's going to stick real well. And then this is out of a mirror card from Tonic. Clear views are transparency pictures. I have a link to where you could purchase them. I've been lucky to live local here to the marketplace, and the marketplace is selling them through a local stamp shop called Let's Create. And I purchased them there, but you can, I have a link, you can take a look at what she has, and then you can call and order some if you wish. You can get them all the same picture, or there could be 8 different ones on a sheet. So that's up to you. And I always have her put these on a sticky. She puts it through the machine and puts sticky on the back, and that makes it so much easier to attach them. I have several videos that I have used these in, and I'm a real fan, so I'll try to remember to link those in the description as well. So there's the picture, and as you can see, it's on a sticky back, and I always put it on some type of glitter paper or unique paper of some kind, because it just really, look at the shine on there. really makes it very, very pretty. I know that I want the circle underneath the love die to be to fit just underneath the love ornament. And I thought I might have a circle die that would be perfect, but I didn't. So I am just going to cut this by hand. I think I put a little temporary tape on there. Let's see if that will kind of help to hold it in place. Probably not, huh? Oh, I'll just hold it by hand, not a problem. Because it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to fit underneath the ornament sides. And actually, so we'll take a look at that and see. It looks pretty good. We could trim off a little bit more. And I can always trim it off when I put it on too, or it might be sticking out. So we're going to take the sticky paper off of here. And attach that way. And I am going to use some sticky tape to attach this. And that's going to be about there. And then this is the ornament top, and I was going to use a glue dot on that. And then to hang it, I have some of these gold chains from Love from Lizzie. And I'm going to apply that right underneath there. And I think I'm going to use a small glue dot to attach the top of that ornament down. And then I have the card base ready to go. Again, I use that fun wonky stitched die to make the inside piece that I can sign, Sending Holiday Hugs. And I am going to attach this. Oops, I can see coming around the edge there. That still works. Okay. On the card base. And our love ornament cards are complete. I love how these slimline cards with slimline dies turned out, and hope my samples encourage you to give some of these fun dies a try. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing, and thanks too for helping me share the joy of creativity.